digital planners. I'm Florin, and I've got a sticker treasure trove to share with you. With over 50,000 hand-drawn stickers at our fingertips, we're about to make planning an art form. This week's theme, Cozy Comforts. Let's pick stickers that make us feel what's sure to be a masterpiece planning. We'll start with our essentials, laying down the groundwork for what's sure to be a masterpiece for planning. I like a dash of mystery in my week. These question marks, space for spontaneous fun. Look at that. Our week's shaping up to be as organized as it adorable. Who said tracking habits can't be this delightful? Let's get personal. I'm tossing in my fave stickers like this little guitar for my weekly jam session. For that extra sparkle, these love stickers make my key events shine bright. Expecting sunshine, let's brighten up our forecast with Mr. Sun here. Keeping with our cozy theme, I'm wrapping up with warm blankets and hot coffee stickers. And just like that, we've turned our planner into a reflection of our week. Take a look, planners, our week in Stickerland is ready to roll. Each sticker is a step towards our goals. With each sticker, we've not just planned our week, we've added joy and color to our days. How do you jazz up your digital planner? I'd love to see your sticker stories. Drop a comment below. If you're sticker crazy like me, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more sticker fun. Stay tuned for our next planning adventure where we tackle spring blossoms and productivity blooms. Happy planning, everyone!